Hello students, continue with the previous exercise worksheet 4. We are starting with question number 6. The question 6 is the outer diameter of a gas cylinder is 20 centimeter and we have to find the cost of painting its outer and inner curved surface area. You know outer curved surface area of cylinder, that is जो red portion आपको दिखाई देता है, inner जो अंदर होता है. But here we have to find the cost of painting of its outer curved surface at rupees 4 per square centimeter, and height of the cylinder is given as how much? 70 centimeter the height is given. So we are starting with the question number 6. So in this case, what is given here? Diameter of gas cylinder is given as 20 centimeter. We will take radius 20 by 2, 10 centimeter. Height is given 70 centimeter. Again we have to find outer curved surface area. Use the formula 2 pi rh and then calculate it. It becomes 4400 centimeter square. Then total cost of painting, multiply it by rupees 4 per square centimeter. You will get the answer as 4 multiply 4400, it becomes 17,600 rupees. So now question number 7, I am again solving for you. A cylindrical vessel open at the top. First of all you will draw the figure कि the cylinder open at the top, कि आप एक कंटेनर लेते हैं, वो कंटेनर जो ऊपर से खुला होता है ऐसे, जिसमें आप कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. Then radius is given, height is given. We have to find the total surface area of the vessel, but it is closed at the bottom. So we will add one base area as pi r square. We have to find the total surface area, but as it is open from the upper part but lower part is closed, नीचे का part बंद है, तो we will add 2 pi rh plus pi r square, and using this formula you will calculate the answer. Okay. Now see the next one. Question. Now see the question number 8 here. Question number 8 is the length of a roller. Roller you have seen on the road side. आपने रोड को बनते देखा है, वहाँ पर रोलर घूमता है. तो what is given here? Length of the roller h 40 centimeter, diameter you will take 21, radius you will take it as 21 by 2. Area of curved surface, again we have to find out curved surface area of cylindrical part 2 pi rh. Now what is given here? We have to find out कि it takes 300 complete revolution to move once over to level the floor of a room. Suppose आपको कोई चीज़ लेवल करानी है, रूम को लेवल कराना है, वहाँ पर कोई भी चीज़ बनवानी है, आपको लेवलिंग कराने के लिए वो एक 300 complete rotation लेता है. And find the area of the room in meter square. One उसमें, तो we have to find out what is given here कि firstly we have to find out curved surface area 2 pi rh, then area of room moved in one revolution, that is the curved surface area 2640. जितना एरिया वो वन रेवोल्यूशन में मूव करता है, that is equal to the curved surface area. Now area of room moved in 300 revolution, multiply it by 300 to get the answer, and area in meter square divided by 100 into 100 means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. You will convert it into meter square. So multiply it by 100 into 100. Okay. Now the question number 9 you have to use in the homework. A formula is given here 2 pi rh. We will do it in the homework. Next question, question number 10 and 11. Two questions are remaining. So question number 10 is again an important question. See here, what is given here? A rectangular piece of paper 22 centimeter in length and what is given 10 centimeter width. In the same activity I have told you about length is equal to 2 pi r and breadth is equal to h. Length is 2 pi r and breadth is h. So here what is given? Length of rectangular piece of paper 22 centimeter, that is 2 pi r, 22, width h 10 centimeter, and we have to find the curved surface area 2 pi rh. So use the formula 2 pi r into h, 22 into 10, a direct question and always comes in the exam and important also for the board papers. Now question number 11, it is given a cylindrical well has depth, height 21 centimeter, diameter is given, you will take the radius small r and capital R, and then you have to find the total curved surface area inner and outer 2 pi RH plus 2 pi capital RH, and total cost of renovating the inner and outer curved surface area. Add the total surface area, multiply it by 25 to get the answer. So do this question in the notebook. Okay, thank you. We have completed the worksheet.